So I came back to Houston, and Don Akers, he's a friend of mine who's kind of like a sports psychologist. He understands how the mind works. And so Don said, why don't you bring that sled with you to my house and we'll figure it out. He said, lay down on the sled and why don't you start the run on curve 10 and tell me what happens in your head, what you're thinking when you hit 13. And we might have to do it over and over again. And so we did it about 20 times. And so what are you thinking? What's going on in your head? And finally I said, here it comes. And he said, here it comes? Are you kidding me? I mean, you're being totally reactive. No, it's gonna be here I come. That's your new mantra from now on. Here I come. You're gonna take charge. You're gonna beat the track. And so I wrote here I come everywhere, on my bookmarks, in front of my steering wheel, in the mirror where I brush my teeth. And here I come, here I come, here I come. I went back to Lillehammer a couple of weeks later, took my next run, and no problem. I fixed it, right? Don fixed it. Many times you have a mental block and you just have to talk to the right coach, the right mentor, and they can tweak it. It can be just a little tweak. And so here I come. And I have it on the cowling of my sled now, even, many years later. Last thing I see before I take my run is here I come. And that puts me in the right mental frame to do the best that I can do.